talking, made it happen. Few bumps was in a row, but stay proactive. Yeah, grinding like my stash still in.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique Anike. How you doing or whatever? And now we're gonna move on to the advice. I got me 5 advice for y'all, okay? So I wanted to give y'all some advice because 1, tips is just what you can do, and advice is from experience, okay? Budgeting is ghetto, okay? Y'all don't think I got me a whole wish list on Amazon, little baby. My wish list is about $2 grand. And I haven't bought it yet because self-control is a part of budgeting, and it will help you develop you. I don't even know I was going to go this route, but it will help you develop you to go, to be better. So advice number 1, this is for budgeting, okay? Advice 1, every month is a new month. Don't think that what you did last month gonna work for this month. I had to learn that the hard way, little baby. I'm 6 months in, and I can tell you for fact and for free that like the things that I did 6 months ago is not working today. What happened last month is different from this month for me, okay? If you don't think so, watch my videos. I'm gonna have them up in the sky in a little eye or something. I think it's this one or this one. It's somewhere. It's up there, but I'm gonna have it up there so you guys can look. I had July budget scheduled, baby. I was like, I'm good, I'm great. And then July hit me, and then now I'm in August. I'm like, little baby, you ain't gonna do it twice. And they said, you without. And I was like, listen, you tried it, but it's okay. It's okay. Just know that every month is different, every budget is different, and you're gonna have these expenses that you didn't think was gonna happen, but they happened. It's okay. As long as you budget for the next month, baby, it's okay. So that's my advice number 1. Okay, advice number 2, right? Find your own budgeting style. Some people get paid like me where they get paid twice a month or every 2 weeks. But like, I think there's 2 months, I think it's like July and October, they get paid 3 times a month. I still only get paid the 1st and the 15th. And then there's some people that only get paid once a month. How they do it, I don't know. My mama had to do it when we lived in Jamaica. It ain't for me. Cause the self-control just ain't there yet. Just being honest, So find your own budgeting style. Find what works for you. Right now, I'm using the Budget Mom spreadsheet. I'll leave the link down in the description box as well for her sheet for you guys to use. It's a printable version, so you can print it out and use whatever. Or you can use pen and paper, little baby, and just write it out if you don't want to spend money to start. It's okay. Just find what works for you. I have a book right now. It's a composition book, okay? The one that you can go to Walmart and get to you for like $1 something. And I have me a good old little pen. Where's my pen? I know my pen is on the table right now, but I have a pen, and that's all I do to write out my expenses for the week or my weekly check-in or my budget. Listen, okay? Find what works for you and do it. Be Nike, just do it. All right, let's move on. So advice number 3. Advice number 3 is a real thing. Your girl going through it right now. Okay, advice number 3, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Somebody, say it again so they heard it in the back. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Let me tell y'all something, okay? Budgeting, like I said, is ghetto because I budgeted, thought I was cute, and then life happens because they got jokes, okay? Life got jokes. And threw my budget all out of whack. But you know what? I ain't mad, I ain't phased. This is a setback for a comeback because little baby ain't gonna win, period, okay? They not going to. This pandemic ain't gonna win, period, because it ain't going to, okay? None of this is gonna win because what? It ain't going to. And if nothing else, if I can't do it, God gonna do it, period. So try it. Because every setback is a setup for what? A comeback. Yes! So, just saying, guys, do not be discouraged when things happen. Life happens. Do not be discouraged, okay? Just know that you are working through tribulation to get to the blessing. So that's tip number 3. Well, advice number 3. Why do I keep calling them tips? This is advice. But let's go on to advice number 4. Advice number 4 during this budgeting phase. Don't let this budget direct your life, okay? For me, when I first started budgeting was directing my life. It was telling me what to do, who I could hang out with, where I could go, what I could buy. Little baby, okay? This is your money. You tell it where to go. It don't tell you where to go. And you tell it what to do. It don't tell you what to do. I was not, enjoying the little things with my friends. And I was just like, after 6 months of doing this, I was just like, why? What benefit is this gonna give me? Don't think the goal has changed. It has not. However, what benefits am I getting by just staying in my house all the time? Now, bear in mind, I'm a homebody. I do not mind it, not one bit. However, what does it do, little baby? What does it do? It don't do nothing for me. Okay, so I had to learn to let this budget be a budget, but not the director of my life. Okay, because you've already taken care of your responsibilities. So, don't let this budget direct your life, please. From someone who has had it done that, for someone who has made that mistake, do not let this budget direct your life, okay? Tell your money what to do. It ain't working 9 to 5, it's working 24/7. Ooh, feel something in my eye. And it's working for you. All right, tip number 4, advice. Bruh. Real easy, real simple. Start today. You already watched this video. Matter of fact, if you got to the end of this video, you took the first step. Start today, okay? Don't wait. Live your best life today, because it is, we live in a ghetto earth. But it is just crazy, okay? You got time? Okay, cause you got time. You do got time. Ain't no excuses now. You got time. You do. So start today. That is my final advice. That's my final encouragement. Like, start today. Bonus tip / advice. Doing a budget only requires the book and paper. Only requires what? A sheet of paper and a pen, a pencil, a marker, anything that you can write with. You got a phone, you got a calculator. Just saying. So anything else that you think you might need to budget, you don't need. Okay? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked, I hope you enjoyed. If you are new here and you have stick through the entire video, I hope you think about subscribing and joining the family. My name is Anique NK. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you won't get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't